How many reps and sets? Perfect bodyweight workout structure for beginners.
Starting a bodyweight workout as a beginner can be confusing. One of the most common questions is, how many reps and sets should you do? This guide gives you clear, practical numbers so you can build a safe, effective routine to boost strength, endurance, and confidence. No equipment needed.
Why reps and sets matter?
Reps refer to how many times you do an exercise in a row, while sets are the number of times you repeat that group of reps. Balancing reps and sets helps train your muscles the right way. The right structure supports steady progress and makes your workouts effective without causing burnout or injury.
Recommended rep and set ranges.
For beginners, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per exercise. This range helps you build a foundation of strength and control while practicing good technique. If a movement feels too easy with 12 reps, consider trying a harder variation. If you struggle before 8 reps, pick something easier and work up over time.
Example, beginner bodyweight workout.
A balanced routine includes pushing, pulling, and leg exercises. For example, push-ups, 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bodyweight squats, 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. And glute bridges, 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Add a core exercise, like plank holds, for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets to recover.
Progressing and staying safe.
Listen to your body. As you get stronger, you can add sets, increase reps, or try more challenging versions. Always focus on good form rather than rushing through. If you feel pain, not just muscle fatigue, stop and check your technique. Consistency and gradual progress are key for safe long-term results.